Hello, Mom, Dad, Me World. So the iPhone 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max were just announced today, along with a slew of other products, including the 16, new AirPods, and Apple Watch, and a couple of other little accessories, or should I say little features, but I want to talk about the 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max. So this is coming from a content creator and just a person who overall likes to have their phone with them at all times, pretty much to take pictures and to take video, as I think you do too if you are watching this video. But I want to talk about some of the what I would call more significant upgrades, and I want to talk about the camera upgrades. So we've got 48 megapixels on the main camera, and then we've got 48 megapixels on the ultra wide now, which I think that's going to be a nice substantial upgrade, especially coming again from a content creator standpoint. Having that 48 megapixel better camera is going to be nicer, because I know we all want to shoot, or at least myself want to shoot with the main camera, but having the better quality with the ultra wide, I will definitely be wanting to shoot with the ultra wide a little bit more, which is fantastic. I'm going to try to put this in more of normal terms as opposed to more technical terms, so we can all kind of understand what really the true upgrades are. Speaking of camera too, so we've got the camera control button. I do think the camera control button is a nice feature, because I know that when we hold our camera up here, we like to our general instinct is to press the button right here, just like a traditional camera where we have a shutter. And so right up here with the camera, I think it's going to be quite a nice little upgrade. And I think this is going to be for the first time. I know they did it with the 12 Pro and 12 Pro Max, and now the 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max, but then we go back to having the same camera system on the 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max, so you get that 5x tetraprism lens, that 5x zoom on both the 16 Pro and the 16 Pro Max. There's also going to be a difference in the size. So 16 Pro is going to come in at 6.3 inches, and the 16 Pro Max is going to come in at 6.9 inches. That is actually quite a bit bigger. But here's a cool thing with that, because they have smaller bezels, which is basically the frame around the phone. You're actually going to not notice that big of a physical difference holding it in the hand, but you're just going to see just a tad little bit more screen, and that's also great. But along with it physically being just a little bit bigger, you also get the convenience and the added bonus of a bigger battery, which is also good. Along with that, again, it's going to be, because it's the newest, latest, greatest, you're going to have the A18 Pro chip, which means it's going to be more powerful, more energy efficient. This is going to be the second generation 3 nanometer chip. That just means, again, it's just going to be more powerful and more power efficient, hopefully giving us a nice longer battery life with that too. And then here's something that was talked about just a little bit, but I actually really like this too. It's going to be better microphones, or so they're saying, better studio quality microphones. So with this right here, I have had to use this phone as a voice recorder. I actually just take the phone, end up putting it in my pocket with the microphone facing my mouth, because again, if the microphone is closer to your mouth, it's gonna just record better. And so if I've been in loud environments and I forget this microphone here, or the newer microphone that we just got, I like to actually record on the phone and sync up in post later, just because it's just got better audio quality, because I'm able to isolate my voice a little bit more, and that way you can just hear me a little bit better, and it kind of blocks out a lot of the noise. So that's going to be coming on the new 16 Pro and 16 Pro Max phones also, and I am just super excited, cannot wait. So it looks like everything else, like the Apple Watch, the AirPods Max, those are actually available for pre-order now as you are watching this video. But the 16 Pro, Pro Max, those are going to be available to order for pre-order come Friday, and then the 20th will be when it will be available to everyone. That's September 20th. Hopefully you are just as excited with the 16 Pro and Pro Max, and hopefully these upgrades benefit yourself as they will benefit myself also. So if you enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Please hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps out our channel. And until next time, bye for now. Thanks for watching.